The Frigidaire washer error code E1 indicates that the washer is not receiving enough water. This issue can be caused by a problem with the water tap and hose, or a defective water inlet valve. To fix the error code E1, start by checking the water tap that supplies the washer. Ensure the tap is fully open to increase water flow. If the tap is already fully open, it may be a sign of plumbing issues in the house. Check other taps in the house to see if they are supplying water. If they are, the issue may be with the washer's tap, and it may be necessary to hire a plumber. Next, inspect the hose that connects the tap to the washer for any blockages or bends. Clear any debris causing a blockage or straighten the hose if it is bent. If the issue persists, replacing the water inlet valve may be necessary. To do this, remove the machine's top panel and back. Locate the valve, and disconnect the electrical connectors linking the machine to the valve. Then, detach the hoses, remove the screws, and extract the old valve. Install a new valve and reassemble the washer. By following these steps, the error code E1 can be resolved, and the washer should function properly again.